Hello, my name is Anton, and this is for the breakable objects assignment. So first I'm going to show you what it's supposed to look like, which is this. Falls down, breaks apart, gets smashed by the crusher. What it's doing in Unreal is not that. So it falls down, but it doesn't... Alright, so it doesn't fall down. Let's try that again. So it falls. There it is. It's really finicky. I don't know exactly what's going on. But it's there. Made it a box. And we can just ignore what the player's doing. Or not. So this is my train wreck, and thanks for watching.